Welcome back to Terry's Diverse Horizons. Today, we're diving into the timeless wisdom of Sun Tzu's The Art of War. Whether you're looking to conquer in business, life, or literal battles, these 10 takeaways will sharpen your strategic mind. Stick around because the last one might just change your perspective on victory. Number 10. Know yourself and your enemy. Understanding both your strengths and weaknesses, as well as those of your adversary, is crucial for victory. Number 9. Strategic planning. Proper planning and strategy are fundamental. Develop flexible plans that can adapt to changing circumstances. Number 8. Deception and surprise. Mislead your enemy and employ surprise tactics to gain a significant advantage. Number 7. Adaptability and flexibility. Be responsive to the environment and circumstances to achieve success. Number 6. Effective leadership. A good leader must be wise, trustworthy, humane, courageous, and strict. Number 5. Use of spies and intelligence. Gather valuable information to influence strategic decisions. Number 4. Efficient use of resources. Manage time, manpower, and materials wisely. Number 3. Winning without fighting. The highest form of victory is to defeat the enemy without direct conflict. Number 2. Terrain and environment. Use the terrain to your advantage by choosing the right ground and positioning yourself effectively. Number 1. Moral influence and unity. Maintain the morale and unity of your team or army for success. There you have it. 10 powerful takeaways from The Art of War that can transform your approach to challenges in any field. If you found these insights valuable, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Terry's Diverse Horizons for more wisdom from around the world. And remember, victory starts in the mind.